What's your favourite kind of oyster then, Charlie?
The native oyster.
Yeah.
I don't like them too creamy though.
These
Actually,
look quite creamy.
maybe you could teach me about the creamy ones. Is that late in the season?
Yeah, late in the season. But I do like a Pacific. Well, now actually. But yeah, natives are better. Especially the ones from the fowl.
These are foul here.
Yeah. I think especially the way that they're collected. But having said that, some of the best oysters in the world come from France. And they're all, not all, but a lot of them Pacific.
Okay.
What are we drinking with it?
This is the classic pairing is Muscadet. There you go, Jack. Take the lid off.
Take the lid off. How do you like to have yours?
I just with a bit of lemon juice.
No shallot vinegar?
No, I hate shallot vinegar.
What about a little bit of hot sauce?
No, I'm a purist. I just like tasting that salty, briny mineral.
I only ever had shallot vinegar until I was about 25, and now I've started to have Tabasco. I quite like it with Tabasco.
I mean, I like Tabasco as a condiment, but not on my oysters.
So what are you looking for in a wine with oysters?
Fresh, crisp, light,
Acidic?
lots of acidity, yeah. So
Have you ever pair red with one?
No, never. Unless you were having a sort of, maybe, no.
Beaujolais?
Beaujolais? No.
I might try your way. I don't actually think it's like I can't think of the last time I did it like this. Like a ceviche with lemon.
It reminds me of getting a wipeout at the at Trevone Reef. Getting a whole load of water.
Well, that's the nice thing about them. They do taste of the sea. I believe their flavour is bromina phenol.
There you go.
And that's why when waves crash, it's found a lot in plankton and stuff like that in the sea. And waves crash against the ocean, it aerates and that's why you get that ozony smell that smells like these.
It's a factoid.
There we go. What about cooked oysters?
Oysters, is that Oysters Rockefeller?
You can have a different types. Tempura,
I
Rockefeller.
like the tempura ones.
I like
They're
them.
good for people that don't think they like oysters.
Yeah.
Right?
And I think also it's really important to, if you've never had one, tempura, grilled with the black beans, Rockefeller, all of life's rich tapestry, and just pure deep fried like a fish and chip batter. I think it's really nice.
Is it named? Is Rockefeller named after the oil magnate Rockefeller?
Yeah, let's say yeah.
Yeah.
Like the centre.